Let's show you how to sharpen a drill bit with the Ozito Multi Function Sharpener. If you're anything like me, when the drill bit goes blunt, you tend to just go down and buy another one. But with Multi Function Sharpener, we can get it sharp for you. On most drill bits, there's 4 cutting edges. Just there, and there. And they're the bits we want to get sharp. Now let's get it into the alignment jig. Poke it through there, make sure we can freely turn it, tighten up that a little bit so we can still freely turn it. Let's put our alignment block into the sizing up part, push that all the way down, make sure that we can still spin this around inside there. And remember those 4 cutting edges, we want to move this block up until we can't twist the drill bit in there anymore, which means all 4 cutting edges are touching the V. Then we slide it back down until it touches the center pin in there. It can't go any further. Once we're happy with that, lock it off on the dial. Then we can take it out of the block and we're ready to sharpen. Now it's time to change over from the knife to the drill bit. Lock it in. We've got our drill bit in our jig. We just need to turn it on, slide it into the block, then move it side to side, flip it over, and our drill bit's nice and sharp. That's awesome, nice and sharp, ready for the project.